ClassMonitor KG2 kit is especially designed to address your child's early education needs for an entire academic year, suitable for ages 4.5 to 5.5 years. This year-long integrated learning program is curated to develop linguistic skills, logical thinking, sensory and motor skills, cognitive skills, and creativity. The content is divided into 15 categories comprising concepts that should be taught to young learners like literacy skills, numeracy skills, insects, colors, transportation, shapes, animals, community helpers, birds, etc. With over 250 plus study items which include age-appropriate worksheets, flashcards, activity sheets, board games, puzzles, etc. The content is presented in a child-safe, colorful and interactive manner to keep the children engaged. Activities are designed to encourage parent-child engagement. Along with this kit, you will get a free yearly subscription of the ClassMonitor app, which includes a detailed parenting guide as to how to conduct these activities, daily planners, DIY activities, parenting tips, and a resource library. All of this just to help the parents make their child's learning journey more easy and fruitful from the comfort of their home.